Welcome back, and we pick up this segment with some more news on the dry spell facing Jamaica because business owners in several parishes are reeling from the effects of the drought. In Manchester, one farmer said he lost one of his animals due to the heat. Now, there are strong appeals for the authorities to truck water to affected communities.
The heat is on, and Jamaicans across the 14 parishes are feeling the wrath of the drought.
The time is very dry. We can't bathe how we want to bathe. We have to bathe, put down the water, and flush bathroom. That is devastating.
This is Berwick Town in Manchester, typically one of the coolest parts of the island, now scorched. Farmers too have been left at the mercy of the drought.
Just a little in the tank, it almost dry now, and we have the animal them to get water, no water, none at all. They are raw.
And this farmer told our news team that he has already lost one of his animals to the punishing heat.
We have a shade days out over on this side, and every time here so. But instead of him to go under the shade, what happened now in tangle on the peg when the time pan and the sun strike him. Big mother have. So I had to go really lose that. Well, me have to just take that as a loss.
We are suffering. We have animal like chicken, goat, pig, cow, and we don't have any water to give them. When we buy a load of water for $12,000, it can't maintain nothing.
This comes as the Met Service reported on Thursday that as of June 26, 10 of the 14 parishes received below average rainfall, and the prediction looking bleak for the August-September period. While the government has promised to truck water to the worst affected areas, people in Manchester say they are running out of patience.
And we want water because guess what happened? They took the little white jug where they put in at the drum. When you buy 2 of it, you have to pay $8,000. When you buy 3 at $12,000. It no last no time in a no for because we are buy the water, why finish so often? You understand me? So guess what happened? We want to hear something.
Meanwhile, in St. Mary, some businesses are on the verge of drying up because of the drought.
Some weeks, I only get water 1 day, coming 2 or 3 hours. Just last week, I had to leave my business to go and get water so that they can continue operation.
In that particular case, the NWSC says water can be trucked to businesses in the parish once they have the storage capacity. However, the drought conditions have put increased pressure on resources. For instance, the Pot in the Spring system in St. Mary usually produces 900,000 gallons of water per day, but now it only produces between 600,000 to 700,000 gallons.